Hi dear teachers, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to guide you step by step how to create your own activity using Nearpod. Nearpod is a great tool to create activities where you include gamification. So first you go to Google and you write Nearpod, and now you are going to find three options like students, teachers, or administrators. In this case, if you are creating your own activity as teacher, you need to sign up for free in this option. In my case, I already have my account, so I'm going to log in. You can sign up with your Google account and you can create your activity. Okay, so first you log in, because in the site where you saw student, your students are going to write or enter a code and they are going to play your activity that you are going to create. So now we're just going to wait, and now I'm going to log in with Google because, as I said before, I have my account. So now I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to create an activity today. Okay, and this is our platform. So first we're going to choose this option where is create, and we're going to choose activity. We're going to choose this one. We can create like memory games, but in this case we're going to create this one. And because gamification involves the game elements like avatars, points, so we are going to see something about it now. With Nearpod we can create different activities. Okay, so here we're going to add our questions. We have this space to add our questions, and here the options of the answers. Then we're going to add another question. It depends how many questions, or maybe how many things you want to ask, and the options as well, so you can create different questions. So I'm going to add here, I'm going to create one about grammar. So now I'm going to enter my question. Okay, here I enter my question, like you eat pizza every day, and here I add the complements like do or does. The check that we have here is going to select the right answer. So now I'm going to check what is the right answer for me. In this case is do, right? Do you eat pizza every day? And I can add another option of answer, or that's it. If I just want two options, I don't do anything else. Just add another question, and now I have question 2. I selected the answers. Now I'm going to enter my second question and my options as well. Okay, and here I enter my second question, and I wrote here, your mom go to the gym every Saturday. The options will be do or does. Here we are practicing grammar, so now we're practicing questions. That's why I add this kind of questions and answers. So here I'm going to choose the right one, and that's it. When I finish, I'm just going to add 2 questions. You can add more, like just here, click here where it says add question, and you go adding different questions as you want, as many as you want. So now I'm going to save it, and I have 2 options to play like in a live session, or I can give it as a homework. So we're going to see how to do it. This is my activity, so this is time to climb. Now I'm going to save it and go out. Okay, and now we are going to wait for the final result. So this is the activity that I already created, that is here, and I have these options: online, like live session, or student paced. In this case, we're going to do it, for example, in a live session. Okay, so my students have to go to Nearpod as well and choose the option student. So they are going to enter the code and they can practice, or in this case they can play the game. But no, this is not only the game. It's like practice, and they are having competence. Here is the code, so they have to go to the platform and enter this code. I'm going to show you how does it work as students. So here you can copy as well the link, or just the code, and they can enter on it. So let me show you how does it work for our students. Okay, this is how the students see the activity. So here they can write their names. So something like this, maybe a nickname, and then join. So they go to this lesson and they are going to be in the activity. So in our case, we're going to see just the progress of our students, but they are going to work on the activity. Now the student is going to select his or her character, and he's going to listen to music. So maybe here you can listen to, but they are going to hear music or sound. They choose their character and they join the game. So they are going to be there. So this is me as a student. Now we're going to see how does the teacher see in the screen. Okay, this is the teacher screen, and now the teacher is going to start the game. So when the teacher starts, it appears this kind of screen again, and here we, as teachers, we're just going to see the progress. Okay, we can't play, we don't see, and the time is running here. The student has 20 seconds to choose the right option, and they are going to see a different screen. Okay, this is our student screen. Okay, this is the question. The progress is going to appear here. Your mom go to the gym every Saturday, so the student choose the option. Okay, so now his or her avatar is going to climb the hill. So they are going to, because I just wrote or added 2 questions, the game is really short, but we can apply or add more than 2. So at the end, they are going to see their performance, the points. They are going to get feedback in a real time, and in our case, we are going to see this screen. Okay, so we're going to see the overall leaders, the points, and who got first. And the good thing of this tool is that we can see the results maybe in a few minutes after our class, after our activity. We can see the progress of our students and the statistics. So we have a lot of things here, and because we are involving the game element, we have avatars, we have points, we have budget, we can work as team. So Nearpod is a great tool to do it. I hope you like it, and I invite you to apply it in your classroom. It is not only for kids, it is for all the students in all levels. You can change the type of questions, or I don't know, activities that you want to apply. Do it. You can do it. So this is the steps that you can follow. I hope you like it, and I invite you to do it. Okay? Goodbye.